Hi there, I'll share with you how to easily create crystal ball effect in Photoshop. Stay tuned. At first, pick up ellipse tool to draw a circle shape. Ensure shape will be selected. Black color in fill. In stroke, choose the first icon, which means no stroke. Then hold shift while drawing to have a perfect circle. Hit enter or return to complete. We'll take this circle to the center. To do that precisely, press Ctrl or Command A to select the whole layer. Then pick up Move tool, V shortcut, and choose this icon. It's for center alignment. Ctrl D to deselect. Next, duplicate background layer, bring it to the top. Go to Filter, Distort. Here, set the amount at 100%. Mode, Normal. Confirm. Press key combination, Ctrl Alt G or Command Option G for Win or Mac to clip and mask it to the circle shape below. Ctrl T to scale down the layer to a square shape just to fit with the circle. There you go. Now you can see it's just like a crystal ball. Then hit enter. In Eclipse layer, we'll create shadow to the crystal ball to make it look realistic. Click to FX icon and select blending options. Check to inner shadow. Set the values at the following: blend mode, linear dodge, opacity 60%, angle 60 degrees, distance 40 pixels, size 200 pixels. Then check to gradient overlay. Blend mode, linear burn, opacity 60%. Click to color bar to open gradient editor window. Select foreground to transparent in preset. Drag the white point to the left just to limit the dark space. Then OK. Angle 30 degrees. Scale 90%. Check drop shadow, following the value just like this. Hit OK to confirm. Duplicate this layer with Ctrl J. In Eclipse 1, right-click to it and choose Clear Layer Style. Ctrl T and drag from the top to the bottom to create a shadow of the crystal ball. Just play it under. Head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Convert to Small Object. 40 radius pixels. OK. Adjust opacity to around 80%. Next, we'll add color to the canvas. Click your adjustment icon and select Color Lookup. Drop down menu in 3D LUT file and select Crisp Warm. Decrease the opacity to 70%. To make the crystal ball stand out even more, the background should be blurred. Duplicate background layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. 20 pixels. That's it. You can download this doc in the link on the description. Have fun with this tutorial. Thank you and bye-bye.